The length of the minute hand of a clock is 7 centimeter. So the minute hand's length is 7 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 10 minutes. We need to find out the area swept by minute hand in 10 minutes. Okay, so what we need to find out? We need to find out the area swept by minute hand in 10 minutes. For that, first of all, we should know this angle. Okay, to find out that angle, we know that in 60 minutes, the minute hand will make a complete circle. Okay, so we can write angle made in 60 minutes is equals to 360 degrees. So in 1 minute, can we say, so angle made in 1 minute is equals to, if we cancel this, we will get 6 degrees. Okay, so similarly we can say that angle made in 10 minutes. So what we need to do, we need to multiply 6 with 10. So 6 into 10, which is 60 degrees. So here we know the angle of this sector, that is 60 degrees, and radius. So now we can easily find out the area of the sector or the area swept by the minute hand. Let us write down area swept by the minute hand in 10 minutes. That is nothing but the area of the sector. So area of the sector formula is theta by 360 degrees into pi r square. So theta is 60 degrees by 360 into pi is 22 by 7 into r. R is 7. So 7 square. 0 0 cancel. 6 ones are 6 6 are. So 1 upon 6 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. 7 7 cancel. 2 3s are 2 11s are. So 11 into 7 is 77 by 3. Let us divide this. 77 divided by 3. 3 25s are 75. 2 left. Now we can take the help of decimal. 3 6 are 18. It keeps on going. So it will be 18 and 2 left. So if we need to stop it here, so we can round it up to 2 decimals. It will become 25.67 centimeter square. This is the area swept by the minute hand.